Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to report a pin on Pinterest using your PC. Pinterest has recently updated its interface, so I'll guide you through the new process step by step. Let's start by opening Pinterest in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. This is where you'll begin your search for the pin you want to report. Scroll through your feed until you find the pin in question. If you can't locate it easily, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find it. Remember, you can report any pin, whether it's in your feed or on someone else's board. When you've found the pin, click on it to open it fully. This will expand the pin and show you more details about it. Now, look at the top of the expanded pin. You'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner. These dots represent the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options. Look for Report Pin and click on it. Pinterest will then ask you to select a reason for reporting the pin. They provide several options, such as spam, nudity or pornography, hate speech, and others. Choose the most appropriate reason for your report. After selecting your reason, click Next. Pinterest may ask for additional details depending on the reason you chose. If prompted, provide any extra information that might help Pinterest understand why you're reporting this pin. Finally, you'll see a report button. Click this to submit your report to Pinterest. And that's it. You've successfully reported a pin using the new Pinterest interface on your PC. Remember, Pinterest takes these reports seriously and will review the pin based on your feedback. This helps keep the platform safe and enjoyable for all users. Thanks for doing your part to maintain a positive Pinterest community.